Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is 011HW1, adding and subtracting polynomials. Problem number 1. We got 8x plus 5 plus 3x to the fourth minus 3x squared plus 5x plus 6 in the upper left hand corner. Here's the problem again here on the right hand side. The first step that we need to do, we need to write down our given. And then we're going to have to change all our signs in this set of parentheses that's after the minus sign. So you have the minus sign here. You have to change all these signs and rewrite it. The next step, you're going to have to combine like terms. In this case, you have to combine the x's, because we had positive 8x minus 5x, which got us to 3x. And everything else would stay the same. Next, you're going to combine like constants, meaning the 5 and then minus 6 will get us -1. Then you just need to put the polynomial in standard form. That's our solution down right here. 3x to the fourth minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 1. That's our solution. Next on to problem number 2. We got 3a to the fourth plus 7a squared minus 5a minus 3a squared plus 6a minus 7a to the third. Now, that is our given. Our next step is that we're going to change all the signs in the second parentheses because there is a negative in front of it. So that's what we do. We have 3a to the fourth plus 7a squared minus 5a minus 3a squared minus 6a plus 7a to the third. Next step, we got to combine like terms. All our a squareds are going to be combined. So then we have 3a to the fourth plus 4a squared minus 5a minus 6a plus 7a to the third. So the two squared, 7a squared minus 3a squared gets us 4a squared. So we just combined one. Next up, we combine our a's. Minus 5a minus 6a gets us -11a. And last but not least, we have to put things in standard form. So this is our solution in standard form right here. Next up, problem number 3. Here's our problem. We have x to the fourth plus x squared plus 5x plus 2x to the fourth minus 6x squared minus 6x to the third. That is our given. Since we have a plus sign right here, that means there's no need to change the signs in the following set of parentheses. So we just get rid of the parentheses. So we have x to the fourth plus x squared plus 5x plus 2x to the fourth minus 6x squared minus 6x to the third. Next would be to combine like terms, all the x to the fourths. So 1x to the fourth plus 2x to the fourth gets us 3x to the fourth. And everything else is the same. Next we then combine all our x squareds. So 1x squared minus 6x squared gets us -5x squared. Next then we have to put it in standard form. Means the variable to the highest power, that whole entire term needs to go first, and then descending order. So x to the fourth is the highest power, so that term goes first. Then x to the third is the second highest power, so it goes second. X squared is the third highest power, so it goes third. And x to the first is the last highest power, so it has to go last. Here's problem number 4. We have 6a squared minus 5a to the fourth plus 8a minus a squared minus 5a to the fourth minus 3a. That's our given. Next step, we have to just change all those signs in the second set of parentheses because we have a minus sign in between the two parentheses. Then we got to combine like terms again, so all the a to the fourths get combined, so minus 5a to the fourth plus 5a to the fourth. Both of those a's to the fourths, they're going to cancel out. So we have 6a squared plus 8a minus 8x squared plus 3a. Next step, we got to combine like terms. combine our two a squared, so 6a squared minus a squared, 1a squared, will get us 5a squared, plus 8a plus 3a is what's left over when we combine them. Next step, got to combine our like terms, our a's. So 5a plus 3a gets us 11a. And then that's our answer. That's our solution in standard form. Our last one, problem number 5. We have 8m to the fourth plus 2m squared plus 2m plus 4m to the fourth plus 3m squared minus 2m. Since there's a plus sign, there's no need to change our signs. So we have our given. No need to change signs because there's a positive. Next step will be combine like terms, all our m to the fourths. So 8m to the fourth plus 4m to the fourth gets us 12m to the fourth. Oh, I was right the first time. 11m to the fourth. 4 on me. No. 12m to the fourth. Because 8m to the fourth plus 4m to the fourth gets us 12m to the fourth. So then we combine our m2's. So 2m squared plus 3m squared gets us 5m squared. 2m minus 2m, well, that's going to be our next one. Combine our like terms, our m's, and we're going to have 12m to the fourth plus 5m squared as our final answer. That's your job to finish off the rest of the problems. If you have any questions, make sure you come to extra help. Alright, have a good night.